A major road accident occurred in Kalakurchi, Tamil Nadu on the Chennai-Trichy National Highway NH45 when a lorry overturned, leading to a chain collision involving 3 luxury and omnibuses. The sudden crash caused chaos on the busy highway, leaving 10 people injured. Emergency services rushed to the spot and the injured were immediately shifted to nearby hospitals for treatment. Traffic on the highway was disrupted for several hours as police and rescue teams worked to clear the wreckage. Authorities are investigating the cause of the accident while more details are awaited. The incident has raised concerns about the road safety on one of the Tamil Nadu's busiest highways.
Gracias.